Hey everyone, this is Eric with Stanton Pools and Valley Pool Plaster, and I'm here at a pool that we chipped out actually about a year ago. The owners were trying to decide whether or not they wanted to keep the pool keep the house or sell the house, and they were dealing with some design work inside, so they had us pause, but just met with them to go over the design work. And I wanted to show everyone what the chip out process looks like and what this phase leaves the pool looking like. You can see we've removed the plaster that was in here, and it exposes the gunite shell of the pool, which is just concrete essentially. That's 6 to 12 inches thick, where we apply the pebble or the plaster coat to. And people ask me, does the chip out process damage the pool at all? And it doesn't. I mean, this is the only process that we use. It's the most common process, and if it caused any issues, we wouldn't use it. But with the shell being 6 to 8 inches or 12 inches thick, you can see our tools just barely graze the surface. I mean, that's maybe 1/4 of an inch deep. It doesn't even fit my finger, so it's really minimal. And then during the chip out process, we inspect the pool for cracks. So we actually have a crack here, you can see, that we epoxy injected. There's several methods for repairing cracks. Some are epoxy injection, or another one is rebar stitching or stapling, and it depends on the crack. These cracks are pretty small, so instead of opening them up bigger, we decided to epoxy inject them, which epoxy works pretty well actually, because it goes in as liquid, and so it makes really good surface area contact with the crack, and it can be stronger than rebar stitching in some cases like this. So that's what we chose to do. So yeah, here's the chip out process. It is a loud process. We use the pneumatic tools and jackhammers, but we do clean up really well, so it's not too messy. And then after this, if you're getting tile installed, we'll install the tile, we'll split the drains commonly, we'll replace the lights, and then after that we'll pebble. So that is what the process looks like. Feel free to reach out to me with any other questions. Thanks.